Welcome all. Today we are going to show you Hisense 55U7H installation and demo setup. This TV can be installed either on tabletop or on wall mount. Let's check these options one by one. Your TV is installed now. Let me take you through feature of this TV. Let's start with the TV setup. On the first screen, TV will ask for language selection. You can choose your desired language from here. Next screen will ask to set up the VIDA via mobile or a manual. Scan the QR code to open the VIDA hub to install the VIDA application. On your mobile, it will prompt to connect device. Click on connect and device will show up the mobile and agree terms and condition to start up. App will ask to connect Wi-Fi network. Select the Wi-Fi and enter the password to connect to Wi-Fi network. Next, it will ask for location information and accept all terms and condition on the mobile phone. Now for account creation, please enter your mobile number and an OTP will send for verification. Now the app will ask to set up the voice assistant. You will have three options: Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, VIDA voice, or you can skip the same. The next screen will be to give a name to the TV. So you can choose desired name. Next, click home to complete the installation process. Now to pair the remote control, press and hold the menu key for 3 seconds and a notification will pop up that the pairing is completed. Now let's see how to connect the TV with internet. Go to the top left section with the gear icon to open the TV setting. Then select network and then network configuration. Search for the network and enter password to connect to the internet. So now let's see how to adjust the picture mode. Go to the top left section with the gear icon to open the TV setting. Now comes to the picture option. In picture mode, you have a multiple option available and you can select any one as to your preference. Smart Scene when enabled, TV will automatically apply image settings as per the content. Dolby Vision or Dolby Vision IQ is available in picture mode setting. It will automatically switch on if the content is Dolby Vision enabled. For sound adjustment, we will move to the sound option. In sound mode, you can select from multiple options as per your preferences. The TV supports Dolby Atmos and can be enabled in the sound option menu. TV also has a 7-band equalizer mode in which you can manually tune to your preference. This Hisense TV U7H QLED is running VIDA OS, which is specially designed for TVs. This makes the TV very secure as it has multi-level security protocol to prevent the user data. The OS also boots very fast from no power state. Now comes to the Bluetooth connectivity. To connect any Bluetooth device, open network and scroll down to Bluetooth and equipment management. Here you can scan and add Bluetooth devices like a soundbar, headphones, gamepads, etc. One more added feature is that you can connect your mobile phone and get music output from your TV speaker. Simply go to Bluetooth setting and Open TV Bluetooth speaker and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. So voice services in U7H. The TV is coming with the 3 voice services: Alexa built-in, Google Assistant built-in and Vida Voice. Customer can access these services from setting, system and then voice services. Here customer can connect and use as per his requirement for the voice services. On U7H, so if you want to connect your gaming console or PC, please use the HDMI 3 or 4 port, as they support HDMI 2.1, which is 4K at 120 Hz. Also make sure that the cable that you are using is also HDMI 2.1 compliant and is from a reliable brand. To enable HDMI enhanced mode in system setting, to enable variable refresh rate as well. Also make sure that your console or PC has also been switched to 4K at 120 Hz to have the best performance. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this video was helpful. Take care and enjoy your TV.